I'm so sorry.
Hi.
There is some technical glitch. I'm so sorry.
Okay, now it's fine.
Now it's working fine. Actually, I was also
Okay.
struggling from last 20 minutes. It was getting very tough for me to restart my system and getting connected to the internet.
Okay, sometime it happens. Don't worry. No problem.
Yes, yes. So, can we start from the beginning? Can you please introduce yourself?
Yeah. Yeah, sure. My name is Ekta. I am from Ludhiana, which is in Punjab. I'm a homemaker. I have two kids, and I have done my post graduation in English. And after that, I switched into MEd. Actually, I have done BEd before MA, and after that, after my MA in English, I have switched into Master in Education, MEd.
Okay. So, B.Ed and M.Ed is used for, I think, teaching purpose, right?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Okay. So, this
True.
is for government teaching, if I'm not wrong.
No, it's not like that. Whether it is private or it is a government, in both cases, BEd is compulsory.
Okay, but I think for being the government teacher, you must have some B.Ed degree or some M.Ed degree.
Yeah. It is mandatory in government sector.
It
It
is
is mandatory.
mandatory. Okay.
But in
So,
private schools, they are also looking for the candidate who has done BEd.
okay, because B.Ed is in itself a teaching course. So,
It's a training. It's a teacher training course.
it's a teacher training course, right? So,
Yeah.
so you must be a teacher. You must have taught to children.
Actually, before marriage, I was teaching in a school, but after marriage, it could not be possible because of my kids. So I'm not working right now anywhere.
Okay, and
I'm
how
just
old
a
your
homemaker.
kids are?
My daughter is actually 24 years old, and she is married.
Okay.
And my son is in plus two, 10th, 12th class. He is in 10 plus 2.
10 plus. He's in 12th class.
Yeah, he's in 12th class now.
Okay, you are speaking so well, ma'am.
I don't know, but I was looking for somebody whom I can practice with my English. That is why I also search for someone.
Okay. So, is there any motive behind learning English, or it's just your passion that okay, I will be speaking in English?
Yeah, it's my passion, you can say. I am not doing this just because of the job purpose. Actually, I am postgraduate in English.
English.
So it becomes compulsory for me to speak in English.
Yes,
If
that's
I
very
don't
much
speak in
true.
English, then what is the point of that? Is if I'm not speaking in English, then what is the point of doing postgraduate in English?
Nowadays, it's very necessary. English is very necessary,
Yeah, that is why.
and being an English teacher, then it's become a compulsion.
Yeah, it becomes a compulsion for the person to speak.
Yes.
In English language, in which he is master, he or she is master.
But ma'am, you are speaking so well, so your children must be speaking so well. So you will be getting that English environment in your home.
No, actually, my son can speak English, but he doesn't speak at home.
It happens. It's really true.
Yeah.
It's true, ma'am.
And my daughter is in Canada right now. She is there. She's living there.
Okay. So she's in Canada for study purpose, or she's doing job there?
Yeah. She went there for study purposes, and now she are trying for PR.
For PR.
Yeah.
Okay.
Because
That's so good.
her PR is in process. Her PR is in process now.
Okay. So you are also planning to shift to Canada?
Maybe. But it will take time. It will take time.
It takes time.
Not so early. It will take time. It will take time because my son is also planning to go to Canada.
Okay, and since long your daughter is in Canada?
Yeah. Oh, sorry. When she went there, okay, she went there 4 years ago. She went there 4 years ago.
Okay, that's good. That's good. Okay, so I have heard many things about Canada, that the street marks over there is in Punjabi. So is it?
No, not everywhere.
Okay, actually,
There are some points.
okay, actually, one of my friend is in Canada only. So one day she was telling me that here in the street marks are in Punjabi language, because most of the Punjabi people live in Canada nowadays. So
Yeah, it's true. But my daughter is living in that area. Where I don't think there is happening like this. She's in Vancouver now.
okay.
She is in Vancouver. She is in Vancouver now. But in Surrey and in you can say Toronto, these areas, maybe in these areas,
my
it
friend
can
is in
happen.
Toronto. My friend is in Toronto. I think I'm
Yeah,
not sure,
maybe.
but I think so.
Because there are so many Punjabis living there in Toronto. Almost
Yes.
Punjab is there.
Yes,
second
my
Punjab is there.
friend is also Punjabi. My friend is also Punjabi.
Oh, that is why you know
Yes,
all this.
yes.
Yeah. Okay.
So your boy will your what will say your son will be in home today?
Yeah, he's at home because there is no class. Only online classes are there. But because of the cancellation of the exams, there is no class right now.
Okay, but online classes are going on.
He's studying. No, there is no online class from the school, but from tuition teacher, he's taking online classes.
Okay. And what stream he has
Tuition
taken?
He has taken commerce.
He has taken commerce. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. And what your daughter took, ma'am, in her studies?
And she is doing. She was doing not now because her education has been completed. She went there for psychology, for study psychology.
Psychology. Okay.
Yeah. And she has done a special course for the special children over there.
Okay.
And due to which she has got a job there.
Oh, that's it. So, ma'am, it must be giving you a proud moment when you say that your daughter is in Canada. It gives so much pleasure. It gives so much pleasure when our kids reach at that level, and this is only because of parents. This is only because of parents. Yes, actually, parents do such a hard work for their children, and hats off to the parents. and we kids learn this when we become parent. When we become parent, only then we get this thing. Otherwise, okay, moment dad is doing anything, okay, it's their job, let them do. Yes, but once we become parent, then we came to know, okay, this is very hard, it's very tough.
It's true.
Yes, true.
So tell me something about yourself. I want to know more about yourself.
Okay. Ma'am, I am Sarita. I'm basically from Bhiwani, Haryana. And as I have told in all my introduction that I am good in written English. I am good in making sentences, but when it comes to spoken part, I am far behind. So in this lockdown, that I thought that, okay, I should start speaking English now, because English is like a step in that ladder which help us grow. So I was going through so many YouTube videos. There I saw many videos where people were talking to each other, and then it motivated me. Then okay, this is the right way that we should speak to the people, and then we can make our English stronger.
Yeah, good. Sure.
Yes,
So
yes.
it's like that.
It's like that only.
Actually,
Yes.
I have seen multiple videos of yours, and when I was watching your video, and I heard that you were telling someone that you are learning English from the last 1 year. Am I right?
No. Ma'am, as I told you that I am good in written English. I am good in making sentences. Somehow I can speak English also. But yes, from last 4 to 5 months, I have given so much practical time to me in my spoken English that I have reached at this level. It's not like that I am completely beginner. I am not completely beginner, because in all my studies I have learned English. It's not like that I don't know ABCD of English. I know English very well, but it's when it comes to spoken part, yes, I am lacking. So from last 4 to 5 months, I have started speaking now.
But ma'am, I will appreciate you because you are speaking so well. If you are talking about last 3 or 5 months, then I must say you are speaking so well. And I don't think anybody can say that you are a new beginner. You are a beginner in this field, and you have learned spoken English in just a short of time. I don't say anybody will say it.
No, the same thing I am saying, ma'am. I'm not that beginner also. I'm not that much beginner that I don't know about ABCD of English. I know English very well. I know English very well, but when it's come to spoken part, yes, I am far behind. Yes. But it gets a lot of learning when I speak to different people, like I'm speaking to you, so it's giving me motivation.
Definitely, when we speak to different people, different kind of persons, different kinds of persons' mentality, we learn a lot from them. We learn very much from them, and when they share their experiences with us, when they tell their stories about their stories, then we learn so much from them.
True.
So I think it's a good thing. It's a good thing to speak to different persons, but at regular basis. If it is
regular basis, it's a regular practice.
Yeah, if you speak one day and after 2 days you take a gap and after then you start again, it doesn't work. It will not work.
It will not work. You are very much true.
Yeah.
So nowadays I have started giving time to different apps like Hello Apps. I do speak to the native speakers there, and in Zoom meeting also I do 3 or 4 meetings per day whenever I get time. So by these
What's the name of the app?
Hello. It's
what is the name of that?
Hello.
HALO.
I'll type it for you in the chat box. I have typed in chat box.
Hello. Okay. HALLO.
Yes.
So is there any subscription in this?
No, it's completely free of cost. We can speak to the native speakers. This is an audio app.
Only audio app. There will be no people we can see.
This is audio app.
No problem. We just need someone.
Exactly.
To practice. It doesn't matter whether he is before us or not. It doesn't matter.
It doesn't matter actually, because they all are native speakers, and till now I have spoken to more than 10 to 15 people. So they actually I have spoken to girls also, girls only. I have not spoken to the males. I choose only girls there because of that fear in mind that I don't know what kind of people I am going to face. So I prefer to speak to the girls only there. Yes. So my conversation at Hello App is good.
It's better.
So
I think it should be tried. I think I should also try this.
yes, ma'am. Yes, you should. You are speaking so well that I am learning so much things from you, and you are motivating me a lot. See, you are
Actually, you
elder
motivated
to me.
me.
No, you are elder to me, and you have
Yeah.
such a great passion of speaking English. So it motivates us a lot.
Thank you so much. If you think like this, then thank you so much.
Yes, yes, it motivates us
So
a
you
lot.
told me that you are from Bhiwani, Haryana. Actually, I am
Haryana,
also
yes.
from Haryana. But
Which
after marriage, Jagadhri, near Ambala.
Acha,
Have
Jagadhri.
you heard
Okay. I have heard about
Jagadhri?
Ambala. I have heard about Ambala, but not Jagadhri, because I am also not proper from Bhiwani. I am from a small town in district Bhiwani. So Ambala, like Jagadhri, must be
Okay.
a town in Ambala city.
No, it's not in Ambala city. It's a different city. It's a different city. It's not in Ambala.
Okay.
It's a
Okay.
separate city.
Okay.
Its name is actually Jagadhri Yamuna Nagar. It's Jagadhri
Jagadhri,
Yamuna Nagar.
Yamuna. But Yamuna is a different district, and Ambala is a different
Yeah,
district.
yeah,
These are two different districts.
yeah. Both are different.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, both are different.
Ambala is near
Actually, I'm
to
from
Chandigarh only.
yeah,
Hmm?
yeah.
Yes.
I am from Haryana, and I married to Punjab.
You are married to Punjab. Yes.
Yeah,
that's good. That's good. I have
yeah.
so many Punjabi friends. Actually, I love Punjabi
Oh,
language.
wow. Actually, Punjabis are, you can say, they are very friendly. They are very,
True.
you can say, humble. They are very
Humble.
humble. They
Hmm.
are very, you can say, very funny, jolly nature. They are of jolly nature.
Jolly
They
nature.
know
Yes,
how
ma'am.
to enjoy. They enjoy each and every moment of their life.
Hmm. And the best part which I like, they never feel jealous to anyone. Never.
Yeah, yeah. They just do their own work, and
Yes.
they doesn't focus. They're not in anybody's task.
True. I have I have three friends from Punjab, and they
Okay.
never do any kind of bitching. They never say anything wrong for any girl or for anybody. This is very good. And in my study time also, they never used to be part of that bitching group. Never. Yes.
That's great. And
Yes.
that is
Yes.
why they are called Punjabis. That is
Hmm.
why they are called Punjabis because they are so humble, they are so friendly,
Yes, very much true. Very much true, ma'am.
and
Very much
they are
true.
very good in hospitality also. They are very good. They welcome
Appreciated
each and everyone.
each and everyone.
They welcome
Yes,
each and everyone. They don't
true.
think whether he is from outsider. Outsider,
No,
he is no. They never think like this. They never
no,
think like
no. Nowadays, ma'am, COVID situation is at its worst condition. Still, we will find many
yeah,
Punjabis at the front location. They are helping people a lot.
yeah, yeah. True, it's true.
True.
That is
They are
why
true.
they are known for their hospitality because
Hmm.
they know how to help the needy person.
Yeah, actually, ma'am, I think it's in their blood.
Yeah, it
Yes,
is
I
in
think
their
I
blood.
think they are being taught from the childhood, like, okay, this is the humanity.
Yeah, for humanity, for humanity's sake, they are ready to do anything. They don't
Yes.
hesitate. They
Mhm.
don't think that the person is unknown to them. They don't
Never,
think that.
never.
They just go and help them out. Just go and help them out.
Yes. Very much true.
That is the thing.
Hmm. So, ma'am, when are you planning to
How
shift
many
to
people
Canada?
there?
How long it will take uh, to get PR for
Uh,
Canada?
it maybe it can be possible in within this month.
Okay.
The chances are there. chances are there she will get her PR in this month.
Okay,
But
in this month.
if anyhow it doesn't happen, somehow it doesn't happen, then she will definitely get her PR this year.
This
Definitely
year.
she will get.
Okay, okay. And ma'am, how's the situation?
As
How's
far
this?
as,
Huh?
yeah, sorry, you go ahead, continue, please.
Okay, I'm asking that how's the COVID situation in Canada? It's under control?
Yeah, it's under control. There is no lockdown at all.
Okay.
People have to take care of, people have to follow the protocol of COVID over there. Like us, they use sanitizers, masks, they keep maintaining distances. That is it, but there are no lockdown.
There is no
in
lockdown.
In any state, no. People are working as usual. They are doing their routine works as usual. Yeah.
So how's the situation of cases?
Everybody, every city, every country has their own protocol. Okay, cases are there. I don't say that there is no COVID at all, but cases are there, but they are under control.
This is under control. Okay. Good, ma'am. Good. So, ma'am, have you been vaccinated?
Control.
Have you taken vaccination?
No, not yet. Not yet.
Why, ma'am?
But just like that, every day I think I should go now, but something, just because of something or the other, we can't make it.
Okay.
But we are thinking that we should now get vaccinated.
Yes, it's necessary. It's necessary.
And sooner or later we will go. Yeah, we will go definitely. Sooner or later we will definitely.
Yes, ma'am, because it's necessary. This is the only way that we can protect us from this coronavirus. Yes.
Yeah.
True. So, ma'am, anything else you wanna ask, or we will call it for the day?
Just I want to talk to you. That is why I'm here. We have done a lot of talk, and I'm very happy to talk with you. Just because I have seen so many videos, and I just wanted to speak with you.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much.
I have spoken 2 or 3 people.
Okay.
I have spoken 2 or 3 people before you.
And who are these?
And you are the 4th one. And I'm trying to see. I think you have. I think you don't have spoken to them right till yet. Need to. Did you speak to her?
No. I have also spoken to 4 guys only.
Okay.
Yes.
Whom I am naming, and they are also YouTubers.
Okay.
They are also YouTubers. And I think there is one more person. I don't remember the name. But after that, I selected you because I watched your videos and I was very much impressed because the way you speak, because the way you make the people learn, understand or learn them, because the way you motivate people that no, you are speaking so well, you can do much better than that. That is why I thought I should also talk to you. That is why I selected you for my talking, and I am very much happy.
Thank you.
I'm glad that I get to connect with you. Ma'am,
whenever I'll get chance to connect you again, I would love to connect with you because you are a motivation for most of the people. See, I am feeling so much motivated talking to you. It's giving me so much motivation. Then when I will post this video at the YouTube, other people also will get motivated. And this is only funda. This is the only funda. That once we practice, we actually, ma'am, we beginners or we learners need that motivation.
Yeah, just motivation. Yeah, there is one thing that is needed, and that is motivation.
Yes, yes,
And
yes.
motivation, not just motivation, but self-motivation.
True. Self-motivation.
Because when we're looking for a motivation from other person, sometimes it is not possible. Then what? Then
True.
what will you say? Say you will not speak in English. So self-motivation is very much important because you are the one who can do good for yourself, nobody else.
Nobody else. True, 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 ma'am.
Yeah.
So, ma'am,
I'm just
anything,
trying to be
anything you
fluent.
want, ma'am, anything you want to suggest me or to the viewers who will watch this video when I'll post it on the YouTube?
No, I don't think I should say anything, but because I know you are doing so well, you are doing so much hard work, and you are also encouraging the people who are the learners, whether they are the learners or whether they are the fluent people. I just, I just want to be here just because of I want to be proficient in English. I just want to be
Yes.
fluent. I know I can speak English, but I want to be fluent. I want to be fluent.
Ma'am, once you will go to Canada, you will be much fluent. there you will get a chance to speak to so many native speakers.
Yeah, yeah,
when you will come back to
yeah.
India, you will be a very much good speaker.
Actually, I am eagerly waiting to go to
Yes,
Canada.
yes,
I
yes.
just want to go there, but just because of this situation, it cannot be possible. So as soon as the situation becomes good, I think I will plan to go there because
Okay,
my
okay,
visa has already coming. My visa has already come,
okay.
and yeah, and I just have to buy tickets and go.
Go. So, ma'am, this is the first time you will be going to Canada, or before also you have been there?
Sorry,
I'm saying that this is the first time you will be going to Canada,
I
or
didn't get you, Saita.
I'm saying this is the first
Yeah.
time.
It will be my first visit. It will be my first visit.
Oh, you must
Yeah,
be
it
very
will be my
excited,
first
huh?
visit.
You must be very excited.
Yeah, I am very much. Yeah, I am very much excited to go there.
True,
I just
ma'am.
want to see the place. I want to see the place, the people. What is different from us? Why people are, you can say, want to go over there? Because most of people I am listening, I have come to know that most of the people are saying that they want to go to foreign countries. Not they do not want to live in India. They just want to know what is there.
What is
What
there?
what is attracting them to come over there?
True, true.
Yeah.
So, ma'am, once you reach
So
there,
that
please drop me a mail and you please show me the location, whatever you
yeah,
know.
definitely. Sarita, actually, very honestly, I am very much impressed with you
Oh,
because
thank you so much, ma'am.
I have seen so many videos, but I am very much impressed with you because the
Thank
way
you.
you speak you can say your dimples are very sweet.
Oh, thank you, thank you.
I like the people who have dimples on their cheeks. And if I'm not wrong, I have heard that the people who have dimples on their cheeks, they are very lucky.
Yes, I am talking to you. I am very lucky.
So it means whatever is said is right.
Yes.
So,
Ma'am,
Sarita, I'm very much happy.
yes, ma'am. Ma'am, if we are happy, we are lucky.
Sorry?
If we are happy,
Yeah.
we are lucky.
Yeah, definitely.
Life is all about happiness.
Yeah, very true. Very true. And I want to speak to you again, Sarita, if possible, you can call me. I will be there for every time I will speak to you. I am ready to
Sure,
speak.
ma'am. Sure. I'll definitely drop
But
you a mail.
But next time we will speak on some topic.
Sure.
Not general conversation, we will speak on some topic.
This was actually our first conversation. So Next
Yeah.
time we will definitely speak on some
I
topic.
just want to, I just want to speak on some topic because general conversation, I can do with general conversation, but when it comes to some topic, there I get stuck,
Mhm.
and this is what I don't want.
Definitely,
That is
ma'am.
why I want
Definitely.
to speak on some topic. Because when we speak on a particular topic, then we don't have the words.
Hmm.
We have to
True.
look for those words.
Those words.
Yeah, that is what I want to do.
Yes, yes.
That
And
is
it
what
will
I want to do.
it will
Because
increase our knowledge also.
Because at that time we can, you can say, use vocabularies.
True.
At that time we can use vocabularies because
Hmm.
the particular topic needs vocabulary, good vocabulary.
So taking it
Yeah.
as a
So
suggestion. So ma'am, taking it as a suggestion, I will be whenever I will be talking to any other people, I'll drop a mail, I'll give them a topic, and then I'll start my conversation with them.
yeah, it's up to you, but I think so. I
No,
think so. Topic,
it's really good, ma'am.
Very first time when you are speaking to someone else, then I think general knowledge is enough.
Okay.
Talking about general things is enough. But when you speak to that person another time again, then I think topic should be there, because if we discuss a topic, then we get the words which we have in our mind, but think about those words and we uh, continue about the topic. Then we can say
Very
flow.
much
Then you
true,
go
ma'am.
with the
Very much true. Very much true. So next time,
yeah.
whenever we'll
I
be
would like
connecting,
to. I would like to speak to you. Yeah, yeah. Next time, whenever you want to connect with me,
sure,
please tell me. I'm ready. I'm ready for you.
sure, ma'am. So thank you so much,
So
ma'am.
thank
I'm very glad to talking to
thank
you.
you,
Thank you
thank
so much,
you,
ma'am. Take care. Bye bye.
thank you, thank you. It's my pleasure. Bye bye.
Bye, ma'am.